Day 1 of building a lab. And the name of the lab is Welcome to Bridgewood Lab. There's gonna be a factory here. It's big area. Boom, 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 boom. Also, there's a waterfalls from here in the super deep cave called the Deep Cave, presented by WR. Wait lang. Basta dito. Deep Cave, present by WRMRCR. It means water research, mob research, and cave research. Look how dark and deep. Oh, heck nah. Not even gonna come back there anymore. Villagers! Found some villagers here. Ala-ala. Yung ala-ala. There you go, miners. Oh, yeah, right. There's nobody to protect you here, so have some pumpkin. I don't need villager eggs anymore. But let's spawn some iron golems. Here you go. Here's a lot of protectors. And why are you all looking at me? I don't have emeralds! Wait, there's a glowing squid. This took me a lot of time. It will already be 1 hour in this video if I keep building this. Because I actually got a... Oi, bad boy! You're stalling my kill! So I gotta kill you! Oh, hi, baby. Hi, buddy. Have a bone. Have a bone, little bro. Good boy. How many bones you need? Okay, we need a leash. Does leash work on dogs? Oh my gosh. Oh, you're right. Oh my gosh. Oh, my God. Oh my gosh, dude. Stand up. Dude, I'm not abusing you. Stand up, bro. Stand up, little brody. Stand up, little bro. Now. Bro! Stop! No bone. Oh my gosh. Stop it to the iron. No, I don't need iron. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna build. Just protect, okay? We don't need food because we're in create. But I still got to make a barn. The barn is very simple, but I'm gonna do it naturally way. Just get on the leash. Finally. Now we gotta leash you. I'm gonna gather some sheep. You wish you were a bird? This is your lucky day. Okay, now I'm gonna leash you here. I think I'm still gonna do a fence around it because it might lead to suffocation, but it's making the cows and sheeping safing from attacking from zombie. But I don't know if it's safe from skeleton. Spooky, scary skeleton. Bro, I swear if you actually die from my hands. I don't know if they're safe from skeletons. Rah. Okay. Okay, Bougie. Okay, Beautiful Martin. Okay. Now we gotta sleep now. We gotta save a little gapping like the old labbing. Because this thing is the experimenting of the too big. Paano yung base? Actually, no watering because we got around the rain watering. We got a literal lake surrounding. Imagine we're just in the sea. Imagine we're just in a sea. Can't believe that. No creeper. No creeper. No creepy creepy. Bad creepy. Okay. CAT. My factory is gonna be full with cats. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna continue without you so you won't wait. Joke lang. Wala pang 13 minutes eh. Little me in my sleep, I think he inserted into deep. He kidnapped me when I was 7. Okay. It's so pagoding. My arm hurts by clicking right now, Wing. It's gonna make more harder when doing the live sign. I'll make it high security because labs barely is undercovered. There's no like big sign of a lab. It's like sometimes undercover. Smooth like butter, like criminal undercover. Now let's try to go to bed. Day 2. It's now day 4 here. Take me 4 days in Minecraft. Get awaying! I know you hate the watering, but I don't caring. Oh my gosh, you farted here! I could be take me this far. Just you're not a switch. Let's play the Odyssey. Famusa. Ay, putik naman si RB. RB, rinig ka sa recording! Okay, sorry guys. If you heard a bad word, please, I think you weren't unprepared, so make sure in that part, you actually gotta be careful. Sige ka, umalis ka dito. Papa-experimentin kita talaga. Papatayin na lang kita. Tagal mo magpatay ha. Kakagigil. Ay, nako. Fly up to the sky. Bye guys.